This song is called The Gay Song.
It's about me.
Because she's gay. Me too, I'm allowed to say that. I wrote this song after I saw some comments on the internet directed at Rosie that were homophobic and upsetting. And I didn't know what to do with it because I wanted to fight on your behalf, but I felt that that was wrong. So I had all of this energy and I wrote this song.
I lean towards that one. I like it. Because it's like happy.
It's like, well, we're happy now.
I would do G major, so I wouldn't play the B flat.
Oh.
Are you in D though?
Yeah.
What do you want me to sing?
The thingies was nice. They don't know, I love when they see it. It's kind of nice.
They want, because it's me. Ooh, that's cool. It did make me panic because I was like, what?
That was an accident.
Oh, it was cool.
Right.
If it was
Hydration is important.
hydrated nicely.
Oh, I love it. I'm taking that. Can I claim that one too?
So good.
Oh.